welcome to yet another day. When you got my gift, guys, we did a mess, if I can say a mess. There's a client of mine, a bit day lokene. Kalando yokuthumela the picture. And I born about it in red. And then I did the dress on the picture, which is white. Kadite miyake, it's red. So I was doing an apology gift for her. Oh my God, because Upinde were ordered 2 dresses from us. So I just wanted to appreciate her for not going to other designers, even after the mistake we did. For giving us another chance. So I just want to thank her because she's coming over today to fetch the 2 dresses. So yeah, we decided to do the gift for her. So Chom is still busy with it. I'll show you when it's done. And then yeah, design stars, guys, for company things. So yeah, let's go for now.
When I see you, I feel whole. My heart finally rests.
Gift. She just painted dresses, but I was Utezolanda ngumamake. Yo, I live building here. Utezolanda ngumamake. So I decided to take them to her. So descended in love and so you could talk with Dr. We're gonna rush to Slovo. Siyomdrophela iloke zakhe nala gift. Cause ndongena imoshakala. Yeah, yo. So yeah, guys, let's go to Slovo. And yes, and cause shobanzo kwazi vlog napa. Mhlambi, I don't know. Yebo. So masameni for now. Ndiyama nomntana wami waseSlovo. Uthanda uzikwenziwa nto ekhona. Sendithembe yena. We are here, guys. And we are waiting for the girl. We are waiting for the girl. We come bearing gifts. Oh, yeah, mother. Is it? Hi, Slovolo. Mama. From SMJ.
Thank you so much. Yes, you are.
Akafuni bantu. You was really putting up Nadiga and you wow. Oh my God! Guys, I must think about oh my God! Loretti! This red was made for you. Oh my God! Ngicela baze bangabi nomo. What is this? Wow! Hi, Bob! Can't you miss a land nini?
Very cute.
I'm blinded by your grace. I'm blinded by your grace. Lord, I've been broken, although I'm not worthy. You fixed me, now I'm blinded by your grace. You came and saved me, Lord, I'm not broken. Although I'm not worthy, you fixed me. Now I'm blinded. You came and saved me.
Bye. So the Swiss model why Nini chome emchadweni. Yo akazonwaba ingane. Osibukele siyohamba. Ayibona. Bye. Ubulela umama lapha kuphathele mina uyamba? Baba yini? Them kids. Morning guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Ndiphathele ucoach wami ke sana uthe uyabaleka Friday, so ngiqonde manje imspoil ngento ngegym wear. Gym wear ungayivuli kanti.
Uyivula xa sendibeke phansi.
Sabe. Oh yaloyikila ukuthi uphathi umbrella kuse early so. Wena?
Andazubamhle.
Ayobe uzalingana ke on.
Uzananela ma.
Ngata unabene nje on.
Uzananela ma. Zinxiba sami ndiyobaleka.
Uzoba cute ke on.
21 kilometers.
Ndiyamcenga lo khande egymini le veki.
21 kilometers ndinayo.
Khande egymini le veki. Hayi, ngiwile.
Andazubamhle. Ayijajani ibandla please.
Lo siki mfundo.
Ayijajani ibandla. Ayijajani, ingajajani.
Guys, baba yini sizothenga ne fabrics.
Thank you so much.
I love it. You love it.
Don't wait till the stars fade. Don't wait till the light's gone. We've got this moment. Let's make it strong. Stay with me, don't let go. Feel the fire, let it grow. In your arms, I'm alive. Right here, right now, we thrive. No promises for tomorrow, just the rhythm of tonight. We're dancing on the edge, underneath the pale moonlight. Hearts racing, toes lows. A love like this, everybody knows it's fleeting. It's wild, it's free, so hold tight to me. Stay with me, don't let go. Feel the fire, let it grow. In your arms, I'm alive, right here, right now, we thrive.
Mama,
Hearts racing, time slows. A love like this, everybody knows it's fleeting. It's wild, it's free, so hold on tight to me. Stay with me, don't let go. Feel the fire, let it grow. In your arms, I'm alive, right here, right now, we thrive. Every heartbeat's a confession, every touch a sweet obsession. Don't need words, just the way you breathe.
Good morning. Guys, welcome to another day. Today is Saturday. Siya kuzigudu ndonibonisa kuzigudu. Kodwa ndimzini nami. Hayibo khosemzini. Semzini kasisi. Hayibo. Ansemagqwashini pha. So yeah guys, we are at Spa eCofimbaba to get something to eat. Because siphume ngo 5:30. Ndivuke kakhulu. Unlontshile uthe siphuphunye u6. Bafika ngo5 endlini. Anhlambisana nohlambisisa kodwa ke we are here. Thank you babe. So saheka here. So yeah guys, sihambeni sithe Spa eCofimbaba.
Angazangigcwala the way ngigcwala ngakhona. Angaze ngithanda umuntu the way ngimthanda ngakhona. Nhliziyo yami shaya kancane, amehlo wakho ayangibulala. Ngiyaswela mina ngiyasifela
Kodwa ke uthisha
mina ngiyasifela.
I just saw my people because I'm kage kunomculo esipa so izonenzela copyright bathi man ba vlog 10 us YouTube thina
Uhamba neseleb. Ekumana u40. Kuthe sicela u40.
uyabona mntazi ufuna ndihambe ndihlale ndihambe nomuntu
Ayisana uzolibhadala ke.
Insizwa siphelele, insizwa siphelele, ngiyasifela, mina ngiyasifela.
yo hayi iyabethwa le apha eNorth Cross yo this one is nice yo
Indawo la. Ala indawo. Kongezi bantu basuka phiphi njalo.
Bambelela mngani wami, sophumelela izwa ngami, nendonge yethu sinikiwe, sobuya kusasa ngamanye amandla. Oh Nkosi, izwa imithandazo yabantwana bakho, yehlisa umoya wakho wempumelelo. Izwa imithandazo yabantwana bakho, Nkosi sikelela. Izwa imithandazo yabantwana bakho, bambelela mngani wami, sophumelela izwa ngami, nendonge yethu sinikiwe, sobuya kusasa ngamanye amandla. Oh Nkosi, izwa imithandazo yabantwana bakho, yehlisa umoya wakho wempumelelo. Izwa imithandazo yabantwana bakho,
ndase uthi kangulala kudla akhoze dinasa yo sana lam akudlalwa yo alake ongekaphi yo guys
No. Mamela ke sis,
I had to tuck in my hair
Mamela
because
sis.
we are cheese.
Into endifuna ke ngoku ndifuna ntoni? Ninikile ithi. Ndifuna i-black face yenu. I-black face.
Ntoni?
Black face. You jonga. Makana sala. Jonga. Black face yenu.
Obaphuma TikTok.
Uba anangqaki ifuna nina loo nto. Black face yenu.
Ngangubona lo yinabile phansi ethi fola lo.
Kuthento noba ngumzi kwam nesigqitha ukhoza.
Dala John. Abizo. Yadlala ubizo. Nanku ulande. Oh my God, I'm tired.
Then awunasiko se-fridge for it. Yazi mna ndikwazi uyenza la uRicha wam yho ungakhaya uyayihleka nami sisibona ukusizelayo uyakusizela but uzothi uxolo mama abehleke uba uqoma uhlekela nto beyasona
Ugalela abantu baseziko John.
amntasekanti
Cha unathi. Yebesona yamazumeli. Ngoba oh
ke siyospoil
Yo, ayinangamakhaladi nyhani ke ngokwapha. Nangamakheya. Amahle sana. Yini?
Hayi. Ningafanele ngowesikanotala bezalile.
Yo. Thank you. Yes. This is Zigudu. Nago Zigudu. Hi guys, welcome to another day. Today it's Friday. Sunday clients in Gufo. I'm on my way to Ngcobo. Umalume was attacked. Ayopea. He almost died, so I haven't got a chance to see him. So ndiyambona. And then yeah. Disane beat kamama. NgoDecember masebele gqirha so wacela ndimenzele intsimbi. Oh my god. So ndimenzele le ntsimbi kulo mntana undenzele ibeads zami. So ndisendropa naye kudala iraider. So banentlombe. So yeah guys, I'm just going to see my family. I'm just going to see my family. So yeah, masambeni ngizofika late. Yo. Ngizofika late. Let's go guys. Ndihamba ndodwa. Ahle ngiqhutyelwe. Bye guys, let's go. Hi guys, just arrived in Ngcobo. Kula garage. I'm here to fetch my sister. Oh, ndithengela umngena ndlini ndiyobhatala nobhatala. But besithi usathenga ke. Andikwazanga nomtransferela because I was rushing here ndoyika imvula. So yeah guys, masiyomjongani ke. Apha phakathi. I'm using front ke sana, so nonyamezela I forgot my tripod. So yeah guys, let's go. Timing Makati gang. I'm gonna drop her number here. If you want this brand, you can just order directly from here. This is so nice guys. She has all the colors. Nasi Pipatela, yes, Makata. I'm gonna drop her Facebook handle. I'm gonna drop her number here. This is so nice. I ordered mine. I look so cute. What's happening guys? Oh, Nelwanizul. Hi guys. Oh, kunganandifikayo ke sana. Into endinomsindo yona. Come decline. Into endinomsindo yona abantazi. Ngondithi ndiya ku sister wami uyabhatala ntontoni. Angicelela kafika ngapha mntazi ndifike ndaziqoke. Yo. Hayi shem. Ndifike ndaziqokelelela izinto. Ndifike ndaziqokelelela izinto ke sana. Ndaqala from scratch. Senibona sifika late nje kanti, and I hate driving ebusuku mna. I hate inkungu ibinjani enkobongo. Yo. I shame. But again, we arrived safely. We thank God. Yena upholile ngoku zithe breeze. Ntoni entuyisela? Uzipholile mntakaba. Hayibo. Brutal. So guys, yeah, we are arriving. Kumnyama. Hasan. Andithanda ufika la maxesha tu.
Akusiwona uhlelo bema navele ngachazeka.
Manje kayibamba njani? Hayi.
Oh, I said. isize yami kanye
Isandla.
yiyo kanye yila nsimbi katata
Yo ayinhle manje. Equality.
sayinxiba nge-18 sa
Hayi, niyabe 18.
cwecwe
Kula msenzo katata. Upha kuye straight. Ayinhle manje odlula naleyana.
wo
Kade ngikubuza.
Angidaki skip. Amazi.
Qala benziwa shinga yebo.
Ngathi xa ke wenze Tommy. Iphile katata ke sibone kuyo.
ayikho le bisando
Ithathiwe. Inqotshwa njani ke Tommy le?
Mama inqotshwa njani?
Nansi. Ungayiqhawuli manje ngicela itsala ukuthi nansi.
ke
Gaxa.
Kaloku
Le ndawo isezantsi.
Funeka
Yo, ayisenhle.
intombo.
abantu ndiyafaka ibest yam
Emhlophe.
emhlophe
We.
ifake lithi
Emhlophe
shota
wethu.
ngokwesidanga nale ithi ayizama
Uyibeke safe insimbi yakho Tommy?
My heart when I see you, I feel whole. My heart finally rests. You are my path to home. My world is built on love. No matter what, I am yours forever. No matter what, you stay within me. Your words carry honor. Your actions speak kindness. When we are together, time floats like a dream fulfilled. No matter what, I am yours.
Hi guys, good morning. Sivukile. I'm rushing to work. But ndidlule apha eGoso. Ukhona umakhulu wami, umama katata. I don't think you guys know him. Ndamgqibela kudala. From standard 4 ukusuka kwami ekhaya to Butterworth ndafika ndahlala naye. Yabo. So ndimphathele ipork, ndamgqibela ithanda ipork nechicken inyama nje. So I'm just going to drop those things up. Yabo. Yeah. I don't want to say why ke ningake nimbone ntoni. But naye I don't want her to think andimxolelanga mhlambe yebo. So yeah, ndimphathele nje ezinto so that abone ba ananto ngakuye. I love her yebo. So yeah, sesifikile guys. I'm just gonna drop this thing. Dileqo noba ngu-11 pha emsebenzini. Masambeni, I'm hoping ukhona. If akekho, I'm just gonna drop them kumntana kaDabs uhlala lapha.
ndingazaziyo
ufuna usisi inkosi yami izinto zingaka
uyafunda obonisa abazukulwana
nyake kawuthi zero ke mntanam undifakela
Ikhona nje kame njengo lebe ndiyifonela.
oh
Khange uthi bakuvele into ethi lelethu.
ithe lele
Kona mani ngazi xa ubhubhile.
wajika yumntanam hey ulelethu ebezawundibona umntanam asendifonele sithi inyama yakho ndiyifake efrijini
Ndiqonde bendifuna ukubona, ndifuna ufaka inyama efrijini.
ndamgqula ntinini
Ipork usayithanda mos?
ewe undiphathela yona ewe yo ndiyayithanda bendigqibezela yona kusasa
Nyani?
kakuhle
Hayi ke.
bendiyipheka izolo.
Ikhona eninzi ke.
Oh, uncedile mntanam. Yho, uyabona. Ndiyayithanda ihagu, yho. Ndiyayithanda.
Hayi wena.
Hayi ndizawubuya ngalathi.
Okungahlangana nawe sithandwa sami seze yaphola inhliziyo yami okungahlangana nawe
Elahla imduku awufota.
Ndawubona kumkhwenyana. Yho, nanga ndimlona.
Uwe lo. Izongena ke. Bye ke Mbila. Ugugile sham yo. But uyacaza uclever. Xakaza neclever yini.
Don't wait till the stars fade. Don't wait till the lights gone. We've got this moment. Let's make it strong. Stay with me, don't let go. Feel the fire, let it grow. In your arms, I'm alive. Right here, right now, we thrive. No promises for tomorrow, just the rhythm of tonight. We're dancing on the edge, underneath the pale moonlight. Hearts racing, time slows. A love like this, everybody knows it's fleeting. It's wild, it's free, so hold on tight to me. Stay with me, don't let go. Feel the fire, let it grow. In your arms, I'm alive. Right here, right now, we thrive. Hearts racing, time slows. A love like this, everybody knows it's fleeting, it's wild, it's free, so hold on tight to me. Stay with me, don't let go. Feel the fire, let it grow. In your arms.
Wow. Wow. Ezikhuntyu zam. Hayi. Hi, Sonosam. Hi, guys. Just here to close the vlog. I know I'm scarce. I'm so sorry for that. Starting a business is not a child's play. Yo, that's all I can say. It's not a child's play. Having not to disappoint people, having to please everyone, every client, is not a child's play. Guys, I just came here to clarify something. When I was editing this vlog, I noticed that I owe you guys some clarity. When I went to go and see my grandmother, which is Umama Gatata, and I said I don't want her to think that I did not forgive her, or I have not forgiven her or anything. It's just so cool, guys. Like that thing, Ikamakulu having a favorite. So it was me and Tando. I think you guys saw Tando on the pictures on the TV on the stand. Yeah, it was my picture and Tando's picture. The dark guy there. It's my cousin Tando. So it was that drama with Makulu loved Tando more than me, and she showed it kakulu. So that is the ticket, guys. I think every grandparent has every grandmother has a favorite grandchild. Yeah, so kuthiwa umntana intombi soloko ingenala umntana intombi soloko ethandwa more. So yeah, because I also know that I was a favorite kumakhulu wami, which is umama katatami, umama kamamam. Yeah. So yeah, I just want to clarify that, guys, is that. So yeah, I ended up being hurt with Ekuleni Kwam because it was not nice at all. It was not nice at all. Like yenze caca, like clean ba akandithandi mna uthanda uthando kakhulu, yabo. So yeah, What was that, guys? But okay, we are over that. It was a cooler. Yeah, well, I am where I am today because of that. So yeah, I just wanted to give you a clarity. Ngathi I'm calling for Tony. I never went on like those questions. Now I would have them. So I don't know. I feel like I owe you guys clarity. So yeah, thank you guys for the support. Even though I'm scarce, but the channel is growing. Thank you so much for loving me. Thank you so much. Yeah, I think let's close the vlog here. Thank you so much. I love you so much. May God bless each and every one of you. Please do not skip those ads, okay, guys. Please. Love you so much. See you on the next vlog. Mwah.